When our Prophet introduced himself, he said, "Your Lord is the one who created the heavens and the earth. Go and look at them. See the greatness and magnificence of your Lord." While he said this, we questioned whether we really need to look, saying, "Is it as he said that we don't need to look?" Did we consider looking and examining as disbelievers' work? Some also say with a very absurd approach, "Oh, there's no need, I already believe." So let those who doubt look. What a foolish statement this is. Is the Almighty addressing those with doubts, or is he addressing people? Then the Almighty punishes those who are indifferent. Is there a lock in your heart? Are you a fool? Are you crazy? It says. Therefore, to belittle the Almighty who presented this scene as a sample of his power would be inappropriate. While the Almighty has eagerly and meticulously presented these for us to examine, to look at, and to witness with admiration the power of the Supreme Creator, he has created with such care and has granted us the ability to comprehend all of this despite our limited capacity for understanding, our small minds, our limited intellects, and the intricate system of our hearts that work in connection with them, enabling us to perceive all of this, even though our minds and intellects are small in comparison to the vastness of his creation. Allah, the Exalted and Majestic, created them meticulously. A servant says, "There is no need, let others look." This statement is considered to be very wasteful and unnecessary in nature. We avoided mathematics because we approached it foolishly. We avoided physics because we approached it foolishly. We avoided chemistry. Then when our generation discovered us in a state of not comprehending these things, they also ceased displaying respect towards us. Due to being caught in an extremely incompetent situation, like asserting that an individual lacking understanding of life and beings in life possesses knowledge of the Creator of life, they have put us in a predicament. That's why they call him a religious person, that's why they call him a religious teacher, not showing much respect to him, but going to other teachers of different subjects, showing respect, considering them as individuals who explain and teach facts more within life. They're also amazed by them because they know more concrete things. Yet it's precisely through these concrete data that the environment we're in has been created for us to contemplate Allah, the Exalted and Majestic, who's both within and beyond creation. In order to see the relationship between them, we humans need to start from this concrete thing, so that he does not think about the necessity of creating and his absolute necessary existence. Without a doubt, your Lord is Allah, the Almighty, the Creator of the heavens and the earth, as well as everything that exists within them.